Users. Today we're going to talk about auto-rotating of templates while sending and also custom categories for your templates. So these two things go hand in hand. And first I'll just describe it a little bit. So first things first, when we're on our actual send page here, we now see categories instead of template names. And that's because we now will group templates into a category and we can rotate through those templates for you. The reason we need these to be in categories is so that if you have specific types of templates for your initial contact campaigns or for your follow-up campaigns or for your follow-up campaigns or for your Wednesday campaigns or for your vacant list campaigns, for whatever reason, you may have specific templates to a use case and you only want to use those templates. So we've created these categories so that we know which ones to use when you're sending out your messages. So let's go over to the template manager. We can see here our template list, and each of them have a category, and our categories list as well. And so actually let's take a look at the categories list. We can see here we have a bunch of categories lists. Only the ones with templates under them will show up on the send page. If there's some empty ones here, then it's not going to show up on the send page. But let's go ahead and create a new category. Let's call it Wednesday templates. And we can actually already just multi-select the templates that we know we want to be in that category. Actually, I think I might have a Happy Wednesday. Great. So I know I want that one to be in there. I don't have to create, actually I'll just leave it blank because we don't have to create it with templates in it. We can just leave it blank. And then we can also come over to the template itself, click edit, and add it to the Wednesday template category. So I'm going to hit submit, so that should now be under there. We can also go over to the categories tab and take a look at templates from other categories. Maybe we want to move them around, and so we can drag and drop. So let's do this. Great, so now I've dragged it and dropped it into that new category. I'm also going to create a new template that says Happy Hump Day in Wednesday templates. Also, we can create custom categories on the go. So if we're creating a template and we realize, oh, this actually should be in a new category, we can do that on the go. Hey, first name. It's Wednesday. Yay. We noticed in July. Whenever we're creating templates, I always say this, but if it's your first time hearing it or watching a video, don't ever copy the templates you see in videos. That defeats the whole purpose of why we're doing auto-rotate. We need the least amount of repetition as possible. So if other people are using the same templates, it's just not going to work. So make sure templates are always unique to your account. But for the sake of this video, we at company name, notice street address. Okay, great. So that should now also be in my Wednesday templates category. Great, so I've got 3 in here. It's not enough. We should always have at least 10 templates in a category, because if we only have 3, it's just really going to go through those same 3 and be very, very repetitive. Or if it's only 2 or 1 or even 5, we need 10 or more. 10 should really be the minimum, but for the purposes of this video, to make it a little bit quicker, I'm just going to leave 3 in there, but please do have 10 or more per category. So let's go over to a campaign here. And I'm going to click on Wednesday templates. So I've selected the category. You can see here this is one of my templates, but when I hit send, it goes to the next one, next one, next one. Great. And so it's rotating through that category for you. So if you see any template that shouldn't be there, go back to your template manager, move it around, take it out, but we're only rotating through the templates that are under that category. I hope that that all makes sense, and if you guys have any questions at all about categories, the template manager, how the rotating works, anything at all, reach out to support@leadsherpa.com. Also check out our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe so that you're always getting these updates.